Can I start to clap? Cause I'm feeling good. My room is empty. All it has is a guitar and a snare drum. Bang on it. Is this life? I guess it's fine. This is a song for those who wait, for those who can celebrate, those who always know the way, those who would never say I make you feel bad cause it's full moon, I make you feel bad cause I hate myself, those who call you on your phone and know what to say without any help. And I guess it goes somewhat like this. Are you sure you love me in the middle of the night, when the darkness that's living outside makes its way in my mind? Are you sure you'll tell me that I'm gonna be okay? Cause I'm not one of those who wait, and I cannot celebrate, and I always forget the way because of a musician's brain. Yeah, take a look at the PET scan, seen by hippocampus, it is shaped like a 2012 10-drum set, and that's where it lives my pain. And are you sure you love me in the middle of the night, when the darkness that's living outside makes its way in my mind? Are you sure you'll tell me